Looking everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report from my friend SnowBeast out in California on yet another 2995DXHP. Now this one here, we did all the audio mods, power mods, beefed it up. He wanted the digital echo and wanted it installed right there. We did just that. You've got your high cut filter and your amp on off switch right here in the back. But he had a specific output he wanted at around 230 PEP. So we did that for him, no problem there. So let's just start with RF power all the way down after I change the elements. With the 250 watt on the peak side, 100 watt on the average. And show you the RF power all the way down. There's your 5 watts all the way down. Roll it up. About 44 all the way up. Average power swing. Hello. Hello. About 70 bird right there. 250 watts slug and peak. Hello. 228 watts. Hello. It's right there about 228. He's wanting about 230. We got him at 228, so I think that'll work out good for him. All right, Mr. SnowBeast, we'll get it out to you. Can't wait to hear you on there. I'm your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. You got wise, you got Truckerized. Boom, boom.